Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Thursday the 22nd of June and I'm Nigel Croft. In this short video we'll be looking at the charts on sterling, so the British pound against the US dollar. What we'll see is that the dominant chart is the weekly chart, where we'll see that the Forex cross is drifting with the drifting 50-week moving average. But before we go on to the weekly, let's start as usual with the daily. And here you can see that we have created a downtrend over the last 3 weeks. This has brought the 20-week moving average down, and that will act as resistance to any rally 128, and that also marks the upper boundary of the downtrend at the moment. You can see there's negative momentum as the RSI is in a downtrend, and also the RSI is below 50, presently at 40.5, and the MACD also giving that confirmation on the downtrend as they drift down. What you can say from this chart is that we are falling towards support levels. There was this elongated period of range trading, and we are falling back into that range. But you can also see that the 200-day moving average, which is presently at 125.62, is starting to bottom out, and that could give support on any further downside. Now, looking at the weekly, this is what I feel is the dominant factor at the moment, is this blue line. That's the 50-week moving average, and as you can see, we're moving down with that average, and we couldn't break away from it when we had the rise just before the election, when we went up to that 130 level. The 50-week presently is 126.65. It is moving downwards, and it will be a negative influence. However, there's also the 20-week. That's giving support as it moves upwards, and it's marginally below that 50-week. Here on the momentum indicators, RSI again just creating a downtrend, marginally below 50, 49.23, but the MACD still positive. Moving on to the short term, the 4-hour. Here you can see the downtrend in place. We've got this pattern of lower highs. The low that we had here on the 19th of June, the high we had on the 19th of June was marginally below the high that we had on the 14th. So that confirmed that trend. To the immediate upside, we've got the downtrend in 20 and 50 4-hour moving averages, 126.91, 127.19. Here we have seen a pickup in momentum, but the RSI is still below 50, 46.74, and the MACD are just starting to turn up, but well below zero, so worthwhile keeping an eye on those. But really, if there is any further upside from here, we've got the resistance of those moving averages, and then also we've got to break that pattern of lower highs. Looking at the support resistance, the 24-hour 126.91, 20-day 128 giving resistance, with supports at 126.35 from the 20-week, and support to 125.62 from the 200-day. So that's been TA for Traders, having a look at the charts on sterling. Just to clarify the key points, we've got the Forex falling with the 50-week moving average. That seems to be key. There's negative momentum. It's in a downtrend, but is getting near support. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not a subscriber, please do click that subscription button. You'll then get email updates when I do videos. I don't just do the foreign currency markets. There's also videos on commodities, equity indices and individual equities. Please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only, under my opinion, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation.